And let's get straight to our top story tonight. Rahul Gandhi created a storm at his UP rally on Monday when he said, "Till when will the people of UP keep going to Maharashtra to beg?" Today, his ally, the NCP, has criticized him, saying he shouldn't have used that word at all, while the opposition has accused him of hurting the sentiments of the people of Uttar Pradesh. Rahul's aides in Delhi defend him, saying that he spoke off the cuff and never intended to insult anyone, that he was merely making a larger point about the lack of development in UP.
राहुल गांधी जी ने यह कहना नहीं चाहिए था। जो भी कुछ है वो उसको पॉलिटिकल इशू बनाने से कोई फ़ायदा नहीं। आखिर लोग महाराष्ट्र में जो आते हैं अपने रोजी रोटी का सवाल जो उनका है वो हल करने के लिए आते हैं। उनको तो राहुल गांधी आए थे त्यांना कोणी सांगायचं।
Congress ally the NCP upset with Rahul Gandhi's controversial statement made in Phulpur on Monday.
The Congress here in Maharashtra is in a dilemma. They know if they openly support Rahul Gandhi's remarks, they risk alienating their North Indian vote bank. Reason why the Congress response here in Mumbai has been very muted.
Rahul Gandhi की स्टेटमेंट में क्या कहना है आपका?
किसान की बात करो यार।
राहुल गांधी जी ने जो बात कही, शब्दों के अर्थ निकालने की जरूरत नहीं है। उनका एक भाव था, उनके अंदर एक पीड़ा है।
In Delhi, Rahul's aides say he writes his own speeches, and in this case, he spoke without a script as he often does. They say Rahul's words may have left him open to unflattering interpretation, but that was certainly not his intention. But in Mumbai, immigrants from North India not too amused by the young Gandhi's remarks.
वो बात उनको नहीं इस्तेमाल करने का था कि भीख मांगने आते हैं, ये गलत बात है।
कोई हम लोग कटोरा लेके भीख मांगने थोड़ी आए, यहाँ गाड़ी चला रहे, मेहनत कर रहे।
Criticism the Congress will be hoping doesn't affect their fate in poll-bound UP and Maharashtra. In Mumbai, Tejas Mehta for NDTV.
So as we look at Rahul Gandhi's remarks on people from UP, was the Congress General Secretary actually being insensitive? Is that what you think? Or do you think that this controversy has been blown out of proportion and that he has in fact been misunderstood? Joining us on the program tonight, the Congress's national spokesperson Renuka Chaudhary, from the BJP, Rajya Sabha MP and MD and editor of The Pioneer, Mr. Chandan Mitra is with us tonight. Also joining us, senior journalist Kumar Ketkar from Mumbai, and from the Shiv Sena, Rahul Narvekar. Let me come to Renuka Chaudhary first. Renuka Chaudhary, it is the NCP today who is your ally in Maharashtra and at the centre, who has criticised Rahul Gandhi, and he said, and perhaps said that his choice of words wasn't really the best.
You know, it doesn't matter, Nidhi. We are open to criticism and we always see it as course correction. That's not the relevant part. The relevant part is, why is there such a storm in the teacup? At the end of the day, what Rahul was doing was actually invoking Swabhiman, self-respect in UP, saying that people are entitled to their jobs there, and the government, current government sitting there, has not given that opportunity, and then people are forced to migrate to other states, and then we have to deal with the likes of Uddhav Thackeray and Raj Thackeray, who have physically attacked all these people. So his way of speaking was that raise the self-respect, to raise the bar on that and say that why should we compromise? Why should we be even spoken to or off as they did earlier, the Shiv Sena did? And that's it. And I think we should all learn to, you know, accept and look beyond a certain thing. We all get hung on one word and then carry on about it. I think that's rather ungenerous.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone, fastest scorecard, special analysis and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.